Thank you. Thank you. Wow. For your subscriptions, for your likes, for your comments. Thank you all. So, welcome guys to our channel, Banu Faraz 007, and this is Banu Faraz Ali. Today I have brought you nodding informations on coiling a scout rope. Is the best way to save our scout rope when we are not using our scout rope. So let's learn. There will be information on coiling a scout rope, as well as there will be a demonstration for you all. Stay safe, be happy. So before we know how to tie knots, we first should know how to coil our scout rope neatly. Good hunting! Let's begin our show of coiling a scout rope. Educational information on coiling of a scout rope and scouting resources.
नमस्कार, म यहाँहरूलाई स्काउटिङ विषयमा कसरी स्काउट डोरीलाई सुरक्षित र कोइलिङ गर्ने बारे जानकारी प्रस्तुत गर्दछु।
वेलकम, स्वागतम। Let's learn how to coil a scout rope. I have a rope here, 3 meters long. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fold this rope once, then I'm going to fold it the second time. So I have here 2 ends here, equally the rope is divided. Second time, 2 times. I'm going to take one end only and leave the rest part of the rope. So I'm going to make it fold it. This is, so I have fold here now. Now I'm going to coil the rope. As you can see, I have 2 loops here, the top and the bottom. So I begin from the top, because the bottom I have another end. The second end must be at the bottom. So I'm going to begin from the top. I'm going to make a turn like this and then start wrapping it around downwards. And make sure when you're wrapping it, you wrap it tightly and neatly. This is the way. I'm going back, front. So this way I'm going it downward. This way I'm going it down. Yes. So you can do it in your way, as I have to demonstrate to you, so I'm making it swing this way. If you want to do it faster, you can just roll it like this. Every time you pull it tight and keep tight so that there is no much space or loosen in between the stands. So if you want to do it faster, you can do it this way, but make sure to tighten up every time you make a wrapping, so that there is no much space or gap in between the stand. If it is, you just pull it like this and make it tight. So when you reach to the end of this wrapping process, I can see I have some loosen here, so I'm going to make it tight. So at the end, when I come down to the end of my, let me tighten up first. Yes, end of my, still loose. I need to tighten, otherwise my coiling is not perfect if I don't tighten up. So when I reach at the end, almost, you see this loop, the bottom loop, here's 1 inch. You can see 1 inch up to this first mark I have. You leave it 1 inch, and then you need to insert the running end. You need to insert in that hole. Once you insert it inside the hole, your coiling is almost at the end. So it's very tough for me, it's very tight, and this is a very good quality rope. I got it. Generally we get very thin scout rope, so I got it. Yes, yeah, you can see the 2 ends here. I need to pull and tighten up both, but make sure you have a whipping done on both the ends, or else the end of the rope will get damaged. Make sure before you begin it, you must check there must be a whipping here. So you see, my coiling is almost finished, but one more thing is left. I need to tighten up more so that I have enough space and make a better spaces loop here, so that I can tangle on the hook of my belt or on for our pioneering box. This is the one we can hook it on a hook on our belt. So sometimes one more thing you need to notice, this sometimes the wrappings, the size, some are small, some are big. So you need to place this on a table, and you need to press from the top and start rolling for the counting of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do the rolling on the table, and then you will find that all these strands are in equal size, perfectly in parallel both sides. So this is coiling, and hope you enjoyed the video. Practice 3 is your turn now. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck, have a good day, good hunting. Thank you once again for your viewing time. Enjoy your day, have a wonderful day ahead. Love you, take care, bye bye.